Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dawson, and today I'm going to show you how to do this easy eyeshadow for hooded eyes. Yeah, so hope you enjoy. Keep on watching and you can see what products I use and how I use them. Yeah, just comment below with any kind of comments and I'll talk to you. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is set my eye base, and I'm using the Milani Conceal Imperfect Concealer, and I'm just going to cancel out those, the discoloration on my eyelids and set it down. I'm going to be setting it down with a beauty blender this time, which I think works out a little bit better. It just smooths out a little bit faster and smoother. Yeah. The product that I'm going to use to set that concealer down is the Mekka Soft Focus Ultra Fine Smooth Powder. It's a very nice powder. I love this powder that Ada sent me. But yeah, I'm just setting it down. First, I used my finger to make sure there was no creases with my finger, and then I set it down with a different beauty blender that was dry. Now I'm going in with the first shade, which is the C5 color from the Abh Norvina, I think that's how you pronounce it, collection palette. And I'm just making this into a transition shade using a small kind of dense brush. Yeah, this is from the J Kissa e.l.f. collaboration. I really love this eyeshadow brush. Too bad we can't get it anymore, I don't think, but it's a really nice brush. And you can see what I'm doing. I'm just taking my time, which is in very fast motion. It's doubled up in speed. Then I went in with a fluffier brush to blend even more, to make it more seamless and blend in with the powder color from above. But I will be putting more colors in and it'll look really good. The second color I'm using is the B2 color out of the same palette. This is a dark brown shimmer color, and I'm just using my finger to pack on the eyeshadow right where you can still see the white, but I am going to hit the very underneath of that brownish red color. Just for it to fade out. So it's not like a very defined cut crease. It's more like a, I don't know, just faded out look. And now I'm using the last color. That's right, I'm only using 3 colors in this easy eyeshadow tutorial for hooded eyes. And the E5 shade is like a really dark red type of shade. And I'm putting that on the outer corner with that dense brush, and I'm just packing it on. And I'm gonna wipe off that brush on a color switch, and then I'm gonna use what's left over and just the clean-ish brush to fade out into the other 2 colors. Now I'm gonna go in with that, what color is this? The C5 color underneath my lower lash line, and I am just buffing it out with that fluffy brush just to make a very nice smoky look. And oh my gosh, this was such an easy eyeshadow look. It's unbelievably pretty and it lasted all day. But you can see I'm just using that fluffy brush just to blend in with the top color. Now I'm going to use my Kokie Stay All Day, or what is it? Stay Dry waterproof mascara on my lashes, and then I'm going to use my LA Colors lashes. I think it was called Dainty, those styles, that style that I'm going to use. And I'm also using the Mekka lash glue, which I have decided I do not like. I do not like it. do not like green eggs and ham. I can't like them anywhere. They are really hard to stick on, be tacky. I don't know. I liked it at first, but now I don't know. Normally I learn how to use a product, but this one's just getting worse. I don't know. I'll stick with my lash glues I can easily get at the drugstore. I liked trying out the new lash glue, but I don't like this one. It's really hard to work with, and hopefully I'll remember to take this one off my desk. And I don't even know if I have another lash glue in my collection, to be honest. But I do like this eyeliner I'm about to show you. It is, what is it called? Let me see. BLK/OPL, which stands for Black People. And this is in the color Blackout. And I'm going underneath the lashes just because there's like a tiny space underneath them, but not much. And plus it ties it in just a little bit better. But yeah, that's the finished makeup look. I hope you like this easy eyeshadow tutorial for hooded eyes. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye!